So can we try this question, children, now? Comparing the fractions 4 by 5 and 6 by 7. So what we do here is we need to take the LCM of 5 and 7. Please try this question now, children. Please take the LCM of 5 and 7. See, children, for your comfortability, I am raising the size of the board. So those who want to type the answers can type in the chat box. So we need to find which one is greater. Either 4 by 5 is greater than 6 by 7 or it is the other way. So what we do is we need to find the LCM. So please find the LCM of 5 and 7, children. Children, can I try to solve this question? Please type yes in the chat box so that I can help you out on this question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, children. So what we do here is we take the LCM of 5 and 7. Okay. So I have 5 ones are 5. So 7 will be as it is. And then again 7 ones are 7. So the LCM in this case will be, children, 5 into 7. So that is equal to 35.
Sir, this is sir.
Yeah.
4 by 5 is greater.
Okay, Yashika, just wait. So I have 4 by 5 here, children. Now to make the denominator 35, I need to multiply the numerator and denominator with 7, isn't it? So I'll get this as 28 by I'll get it as 28 by 35. Isn't it, children? Now what about 6 by 7? I need to multiply the numerator and denominator with 5. Only then the denominator will become 35 here. So children, this becomes 30 by 35. So children, which one is greater? 30 by 35 is
7.
so 30 by 35 is greater than 28 by 35. So
Yeah.
the answer will be 6 by 7.
Yeah. I got it, sir. I
Greater than-
multiplied 8 with 4 instead of 7 with 7. Sir, I got the same method and also the same answer.
Very good, very good. Children, you want to make a note of it, you can make a note of it. So this is how we compare fractions.
We're now.
So can we move ahead?
Yeah, I'm just waiting for your friends. Children, we are moving on. Compare this, children. Children, the LCM in this case will be 5 into 11. So that is equal.
Sir, I already got it.
Very good, very good. So the LCM is 55 children in this case. So that means I need to multiply the fraction 3 by 5 with 11 in the numerator and denominator, isn't it?
Sir, actually, can you wait because we are still doing?
Yeah, I will. Don't worry. So this becomes 33 by 55. And in this case, it becomes 8 by 11. So children, what is the number I need to multiply here in the numerator and denominator to get the denominator? Very good.
So the answer is actually 8 by 11 is greater than 3 by 5.
Neha, I request you to type the answers in the chat box, please. I'll be seeing the chat box as well. So do not worry. Please type the answers in the chat box. This is 40 by 55. Okay, Fawaz, you didn't understand the last part. Which part you didn't understand? This part? Okay, so here if you see why we are taking the LCM is so that we can make these two as like fractions. That is our main objective. Now when the LCM is 55, in this case what I did, I multiplied the numerator and denominator with 11. So I got 33 by 55. Now I have already 11 in the denominator. So I need to multiply it with 5 in the numerator and 5 in the denominator. So I'll get 40 by 55. Now here what we do now, which is greater, 40 by 55 is greater than 33 by 55. Now 40 by 55 is nothing but 8 by 11. So I will write 8 by 11 is greater than 3 by 5. Children, can we move on?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anjali, Ridhima, you guys are following, children? Yes? Please type in a yes in the chat box.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Children, we are moving on. So here they are talking about the ascending order of fractions and the ascending order and descending order. So once we know how to write the fractions in the as like fractions by taking the LCM. Once we are able to write the fractions as like fractions when we take the LCM, it is easy for us to solve isn't it? So that is how we compare. Ascending order of fractions means arranging the fractions from smaller to greater value, and descending order means from greater to lower. For suppose I have fractions. Children, I have fractions 3 by 5. So let me write this 3 properly. So I have fractions 3 by 5. Four by 5, and I have, so suppose I have 6 by 5. So children, if I ask you to arrange it in the ascending order, which will come first?
Sir, 3 by 5, right?
Yeah. So that means what? I will write 3 by 5 is less than 4 by 5 because the denominators are same, the numerators are different, and then I will write 4 by 5 is less than 6 by 5.
Yes.
Children, this is the ascending order. The smallest will come first, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now, if I ask you to write it in the descending order, how do we write this, children?
6 by 5 is greater than 4 by 5. 4 by 5 is greater than 3 by 5.
Very good.
In the opposite manner, right?
Yeah. So, children, this is the ascending order. And this is the descending order. Children, you can make a note of this example. This is just for your understanding. I have explained.
Okay, sir.
See, when the fractions are like fractions, it is easy to arrange, isn't it? You just observe the numerators. The smallest numerator will come first in the ascending order. The second smallest will come, and then the other one. Now, what if the fractions are not like? If the fractions are not like, what we do? We again do the LCM, isn't it? We write the LCM.
So like the method we did just before, right?
Yes. So we take the LCM and then we solve the things. Children, is that clear?
Yes, sir. We also had noted.
Okay. Children, try this question, please.
Sir, please wait until all of us are completed.
I will wait, don't worry. Children, I'm just putting my earphones on so that our conversations will be better. Children, can you hear me now?
Sir, but your voice is a bit low, you know.
Okay.
Sir, your voice is a little bit breaking for me.
Actually, it's a bit low.
Children, can you hear me now?
Sir, yeah, now it's okay.
Anjali, can you hear me now? Okay, great. Great, guys. Children, can we solve this question now? Yes?
Yes, sir, please.
Okay.
Sir,
So,
can you please wait for some time?
okay, take 1 more minute, please. But I'll just tell you the basic idea of what we are going to do here. We do the LCM here.
So please give me 1 minute. I am at the end of the problem.
Yeah, you do it. I will not give the answer, don't worry. I'm just trying to help your friends who are finding it, tricky or difficult. So Neha, what is the LCM here in this case?
Sir, I got it as 300.
No, Neha, that is wrong.
Oh, actually, I am doing the
I
problem
got
on
it
basis
as
of that.
60.
Very good. Yashika, the LCM is 60. Children, the LCM is 60 here. So let us understand this now. I have 60 here. Now what I do is I need to, for suppose, let us take the first fraction. Okay. Now what is that I need to multiply in the numerator and denominator so that I get 60 in the denominator?
Sir, actually, I got everything correct, but the LCM was wrong.
See, then how can it be correct, Neha? Then everything will go wrong, no?
Yes, sir, in the starting it's a little bit
Yeah,
wrong.
no problem. Let just observe. Okay. So children, what we do here is I have 3 in the denominator and 2 in the numerator. So if I have to make the denominator as 60, I will multiply it with 20. So this becomes 40 by 60. So same way, children, I have 5 in the denominator, but I need 60. So what will I do is I will multiply it with 12 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So this becomes 48 by 60. And then I have here. So children, what do I need to multiply here in the numerator and denominator so that I get 60? I will multiply it with 4. So I get 28 by 60. Same way here, I have 20 in the denominator. So I'll multiply this with 3. So I get 33 by 60. And here in the last case, children, I will multiply the numerator with 2 as well as the denominator with 2. So I'll get 46 by 60. Children, can't you hear me? How many of you cannot hear me?
Sir, I can hear.
Okay. Pavas, can you check your internet connection once? How many of you cannot hear? Please type no in the chat box. It is full. Okay. You can hear me, Yashika. Okay. Anjali also can hear me. Pavas, what you can do is you can log out and log in once and see. I hope it will help you out. So children, what is happening in this case is, so which is the smallest here, children? This is the smallest, isn't it? The next smallest is?
11 by 20.
Yeah, so that is 33 by 60.
Yeah.
So this is the second. The third is this one.
40 by 60.
Then it is
46 by 60.
60. And so it is?
48 by 60.
So children, I will write the ascending order here. You guys try to write the descending order. So
Okay,
that
sir.
means 7 by 15.
So we should write it like 40 by 60 or like 2 by 20.
No, you should write in the original fractions.
Okay, sir.
So 7 by 15 is less than 11 by 20. That is less than 2 by 3. That is less than 23 by 30. And that is less than 4 by.
Sir, can I answer the descending order?
No, descending order will just be the opposite. You just have to look from the other side.
Yes, sir. Can we tell the answer?
Right. No, that is already understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So children, this is the ascending order for you. If you want the descending order, you write from this side. That's it.
So can we continue?
Yeah, you can. I'm just waiting for Fawaz. He says he's having some problem. Okay, great. Thank you, Fawaz. Children, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We are moving on.